Dinner is ready. It smells really good.
This feels serious.
Very serious.
A good dinner can fix a whole day. At least that's the plan. Maybe just a little more flavor. Okay, that's better.
Here we go, homemade meatballs.
They look good.
That, sounded risky.
It is a little salty. And it doesn't look like those food videos.
Oh. Okay.
One table, two worlds, one very honest spoon.
I can feel the mood changing. Can you cook like those famous chefs online? Like, really fancy?
You want fancy? Okay.
This is huge!
Welcome to Family Cooking History.
Oh, it starts now!
Winner controls the menu.
And gets full taste respect.
Emma did not just accept the challenge, she attacked it. If they want chef level, I'll learn chef level.
More butter, less panic. No, wait, less butter too.
We need a real judge.
And a dramatic one. I judge food, not excuses.
Fair enough. Round one is elegance.
Then elegance it is.
No, pan first. Always.
Maybe the sauce can save it. That sounds worried.
Too dry.
Yeah, I knew it. This is ridiculous. Maybe Anna was right.
Please help her a little. Even if you're just plastic. A toy rat and a note. Sorry, Mom. I was too harsh. Your food is made with love. Oh, Anna. Okay, no quitting. Round two.
Round two is comfort.
Now we're speaking my language.
This one I know by heart. That sounds powerful.
That smells amazing.
That smells like winning.
Now that is honest cooking.
I'll take that as good news.
This tastes like memory. Round two goes to Emma.
She's back!
The comeback is real!
Do I chase fancy again? Or do I cook what I know matters?
Can I say something? Always. I don't want lobster. I want your pot roast. My pot roast?
Yeah, the one that makes the whole house feel warm.
Final round is identity.
Then I know exactly who I am. Carrots, potatoes, onions. Simple can still be strong. No tricks now. Just time, care, and patience. This is mine. No filters, no tricks.
Here we go.
Do not blink every...
That is either very good or very bad.
This is the winner.
Already?
Anyone can copy a recipe. Not everyone can cook care into it.
Mom,
It's okay, sweetheart.
I'm sorry. No restaurant feels like this.
Thank you for telling me the truth. And thank you for learning with me.
This got emotional fast.
Very fast. By the power of my hungry heart, I confirm the result.
That was not a real title, but I accept it. That smells like home.
And like, I should not talk right now.
I came to judge. Now I'm staying for seconds.
Yup, this wins everything. Even your weird cereal dinners?
Technique can impress people, but care is what they remember.
Thank you for being honest.
And thank you for cooking the truth.
So Mom controls the menu now, with love and full authority. I'm helping today. I noticed. I am a cleanup machine.
A very unstable machine.
Careful with the bowls.
I am being 90% careful.
I owe you an apology too.
That sounds promising.
What you do here matters more than I said before.
Thank you.
So, what's on next month's menu?
Whatever I say.
I think your food looks beautiful.
That is sweet and a little suspicious. I don't need to cook like the internet. I just need to cook like me.
It doesn't look fancy.
Yeah, but it smells important.
One more spoon.
That was my thought too.
Mom, you were always chef level.
That is the nicest review I got all week.
And your food tastes like home.
That one means the most.
The contest began by one comment, but it ended by something much bigger than a winner.
You know what really won today?
The pot roast?
No, this did. Us, together.
The best flavor in the room was never fame. It was care.
Care is the one ingredient no cookbook can copy. And that is staying on my menu forever.